Yes, hi, hi all, hi. Yes, good evening. Good evening to all. Yes, all of them welcome to Kerala NEET Academy NPL Season 2. Today we have to discuss the most important topic of the physics, that is one-dimensional motion. Okay. Then today is the second session with the physics class. We have to discuss the important and most basic core topic of the physics, that is one-dimensional motion. Okay. Then one-dimensional motion എന്നുള്ള വേർഡ് കേൾക്കുമ്പോഴേ നമുക്ക് one-dimensional വേர்ഡ് കേൾക്കുമ്പോഴേ നമുക്ക് தெரியும் டாபிக் எல்லாம் சார் ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான், டாபிக்ஸில் அவ்வளோ ப்ரெஷன்ஸ் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, தியரி போர்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஈஸி, பட் we don't know how to approach the questions. That is the most important problem, but we can try to fix that problem by using what a simple shortcut and technique. Okay. Appo come with me, take the pen and paper, come with me, let's start to the topics. Okay. Anyway, one dimensional topic is check panni paakumbodhu the questions are coming from the one dimensions are mainly based on three category questions ana. Mainly first category questions means based on zero acceleration ana. Yes, first category questions are overall normally topic check panni paakumbodhu the questions are coming from mainly three portions. First category questions based on what? Zero acceleration type questions ആണ്, zero type acceleration. Second, uniform accelerated motion. Third, acceleration as the function of time. Anyway, listen. First category, of course, first category എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ zero acceleration means உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். What is meant by zero acceleration? Velocity of the body is equal to what? Constant. Velocity constant means உங்களுக்கு എന്തെടുക്കണം? Displacement എടുക്കണോ? Velocity constant means you have to consider the displacement. Displacement based panni questions varum. Same like distance based panni questions varum. Okay. Same type. Most important questions they are asking based on what? Average velocity. Average velocity illana average speed. Average speed. This is the first category of questions for NEET examination. Then second type of category questions എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ uniform accelerated motion ആണ്. Uniform accelerated motion means acceleration of the body constant ആണ്. Acceleration of the body is equal to constant. ഇത് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் which formula you have to use. First formula v is equal to what? U plus at. Okay. Second formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Then one more formula is there. What is the formula? Snt is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This formula based on questions ആണ്. At the same time, this portion is most difficult for many students. Why the topic is difficult, sir? Nothing but this type of questions check பண்ணும்போது means numericals approach பண்ணும்போது we don't know which formula is usable for such, is most suitable for such a situation. Yes, therefore we have to spend more time on that portion. Okay, we want to know how to solve the questions by using simple shortcut and ideas. Don't worry. Anyway, third type of question means overall one day edukumbode third type of questions coming from NEET examination is based on acceleration is as the function of time. Means you know many questions. Okay, many questions. Acceleration you can write in function of t cube plus 2t. Meaning another acceleration is correct function of what? Time ana. Some question acceleration is correct function of what? Velocity ana. Some function acceleration is correct function of what? Position. These are the main three category possible type of questions based on what? One dimension. Anyway, one by one we can discuss in each category. First category is completely based on what? Zero acceleration type ആണ്. Yes. What is the first question? Zero acceleration type question. First question is, read the first question. A body moves over a 1/4 of its circular arc in a circle with radius r. Magnitude of distance traveled and displacement will be respectively. Yes. What is given in the question? Questions read பண்ணும்போது 1/4 of the ഒരു സർക്കിൾ എടുക്കുക, സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ 1/4 ഓഫ് ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രാവൽ അയച്ച്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദിസ് ഈസ് എ സർക്കിൾ. Yes, this is a circle. Circle എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ circle the 1/4 of the distance. 1/4 means is very simple. This is the radius and this is also radius. What is meant by 1/4 of the distance? This is the 1/4 of the distance. This 1/4 of the distance ചൊല്ലുമ്പോൾ it's very simple. You know what is distance? Distance is equal to actual path covered by the body. Actual path means what is the value? 2 pi r. Divided by 1/4 means by 4. Automatically 2 4 will cancel. Answer pi r divided by 2. This is the actual path covered by the body over a 1/4. Then next you have to find the displacement. Displacement means this is the initial position of the body. Then you have to take the shortest path. This shortest path എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ very simple. Listen. What is this value? Radius. What is this value? Radius. Then how to take? Just to take the Pythagoras theorem. Then what answer you will get? Root 2r. Then displacement of the body is equal to root 2r. Same time distance covered by the body is equal to pi r by 2. Which option is more correct? Option A. First option. Okay. Then come to the second question. Second question എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ yes, this is the most celebrated question in the chapter. Yes, what is there given in the question? Displacement of a point of a wheel initially in contact with the ground. When the wheel is rolls forward, half of the revolution will be non question. Yes. ഈ questions read பண்ணும்போது first listen initially is a in contact അല്ലേ വീലിൻ്റെ ബേസ് ഇൻ കോണ്ടാക്റ്റ് ആണ് ദിസ് പോയിന്റ് ഈസ് സപ്പോസ് എ ദെൻ ഹാഫ് റൊട്ടേഷൻ നോർമലി ഹാഫ് റൊട്ടേഷൻ വരുമ്പോൾ the bottom point will be come to the top ആണ് means this point A എങ്കിൽ വരും ടോപ്പിൽ വരും this point A will be come to the top ആണ് then what distance actually it is moved horizontally pi r and what is this distance 2r then how to take the displacement you know what is the displacement yes this is the initial point and this is the final point then what is the displacement is equal to very simple displacement is equal to root of എന്തെടുക്കണം pi r square plus what is the distance 2r the whole square this solve பண்ணும்போது yes what is r square is common just to take the outside then what is inside the bracket pi square plus r square pi square plus 2 square means value 4 okay pi square plus 2 square means value is equal to 4 means 2 square then which option is more correct means displacement of the body is equal to r into okay root of pi square plus 4 which option is correct yes second option is the correct answer yes then come to the third question what they are given in the third question yes ഈ questions overall check பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் கூட concept இருக்கு okay compared with other two questions what they are given in the question listen a blind person okay a blind person after walking 10 steps in a one direction each of length 80 centimeter turn randomly left or right by a 90 degree after walking total 40 steps the maximum displacement of the person from the starting point is the question okay ഈ question check பண்ணும்போது total means initially ഈ question check பண்ணும்போது initially എത്ര step എടുത്താச்சு 10 step ആണ് അപ്പോൾ total number of step means 10 ആണ് each step having 80 centimeter ആണ് that means each step is 80 centimeter then means total length initial length means 80 centimeter into 10 ആണ് that means 80 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 means എത്ര മീറ്റർ ആണ് 8 meter means what is the meaning ഈ person 8 means 10 step എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എത്ര ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രാവൽ ആയിടും കറക്റ്റ് 8 meter ട്രാവൽ ആയിടും then overall ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ റീഡ് பண்ணும்போது 8 meter ആണ് for a 10 step 8 meter ആണ് actually yes okay അപ്പോൾ anyway 10 step 8 meter ആണ് then next turn right angled ആണ്. അപ്പം again 8 meter വരും. Then have a two possibility, turn left or right ആണ്. Actually, I am taking only right. I will explain why I am taking right. And next step means, next step എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ I think this is also 8 meter. Total എത്ര step എടുത്ത് 40 step. This is the 10, 20, 30, 40. But total 40 step എടുത്ത്. Then what is the question? What is the displacement of the person is the question. Displacement എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ഇത് initial position, this is the final position of the body. Then what is the displacement? It's correct ആണ്. Listen, ഈ പോർഷൻസ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എത്ര ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റ് വരും? 8√2. എന്നതാ അപ്ലൈ പണി വെച്ചാൽ പോതും, ജസ്റ്റ് പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇതാ ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇതും എത്ര വരും? ഇங்கே 8, ഇங்கே 8, the value 8√2. This value is also 8√2. What is the total displacement? 2 into 8√2. Answer is 16√2 is the answer. Okay. Yes, which option? Second option is the correct answer. Third option, option C. Okay. Third option is the correct answer. This all questions are completely based on what portion? Means distance and displacement based questions. Okay. Then come to the next topic. What is the next topic? Average velocity illana average speed. This is the one of the important portion. Okay. These portions based panni many times they are asked many questions. Then what they are given? Average speed illana average velocity. First of all, we want to know what is the basic concept of the average speed. After getting that point, we can enter to the different types of questions. Okay. Anyway, average speed edukumbode, average speed we have only one formula. What is the formula? Total distance traveled by a body to the total time taken by the body. We have only this formula. Okay. Only one formula. By using this formula, you can make or 2 to 3 cases എടുക്കാൻ കഴിയും. ഇതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് സപ്പോസ് കേസ് 1 ആണ്. കേസ് 1 ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ സപ്പോസ് S1 distance traveled by a time what? T1. Second distance means S2 distance traveled by a time taken is T1. Next distance means S3 distance ആണ് എത്ര ടൈം എടുത്ത്? T3 time. Then tell me what is the average velocity of the journey? Very easy. Average velocity, we have only one formula. What is the formula? Total distance traveled by a body to the total time taken. What is the total distance? S1 plus S2 plus S3. Yes, what is the total time taken? T1 plus T2 plus T3. Then you will get what? Average velocity. This is the case 1. Okay? Yeah, this is the first case. Same like we have to discuss 2 more cases also. That cases are very important for NEET examination. Anyway, second case edukumbode, yes. Second case edukumbode case 2. Case 2 means a person travel, okay, S1 distance with a velocity V1. Next, S2 distance with the velocity V2. How to find the average velocity of the journey? How to find? You know, average velocity we have only one equation. Total distance traveled by a body to the total time taken. What is the total distance? S1 plus S2. What is the total time? Time is not directly given but indirectly given. You know the distance and velocity. How to find the time? Yes, distance S1 divided by V1 plus next S2 divided by V2. Okay. This is the equation for what? Average velocity. But very important case, if S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S. Suppose the all distances are equal agumbode, what equations you can write? S plus S divided by V1 plus S divided by V2. Okay. Equations write panna mudiyum. By solving this equation, what you will get? 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Very important formula. If the distance are equal, you can use only one formula. What is the formula? 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2 to solve what? Average velocity of the entire journey. Okay. Therefore, you have to remember this formula is very, very important. We want to use in many questions. Note it. Take the screenshot and note it. Okay. Then we have to discuss one more case also, last case based on this portion. Anyway, last case, average velocity based on it, one more case is also there. What is the last case? Case 3. Okay. Case 3 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ case 3 situations, first time, okay, suppose at t1 time, body will travel with what velocity? v1. Next time, what is the next time? t2. Body will travel with another velocity. What is the velocity? v2. How to find the average velocity of the journey? Yes, position, okay, in this such a case, we will use the same concept, no change for the concept. What is the concept? Total distance traveled by a body to the total time taken by the body. What is the total distance? Distance of the body is not directly given but indirectly given. What is the distance? Yes, v1 t1 is the distance plus next distance v2 t2 is the next distance. Then what is the total time taken? t1 plus t2. Okay, this is the equation for what? Average velocity. But here some question we have to apply what? Time are equal. First interval എത്ര time travel பண்ணியாச்சோ രണ്ട് time interval time equal. Time equal ആയാൽ t1 is equal to t2 is equal to t. Then what formula you can use? Time interval equal ആയാൽ yes, v into v1 into t plus v2 into t divided by what? t plus t. ഇത് അപ്ലൈ பண்ணும்போது yes, ഇതിൽ common term cancel എടുത്ത് solve பண்ணும்போது you will get average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. What is the meaning? Normally, if you know the two velocity, how to find the average velocity? രണ്ട് velocity എടുത്ത് just add பண்ணி by 2 എടുക്കും. ഇത് എപ്പോൾ മറ്റും possible ആണ്? It is possible only for in the case of time interval. Distance interval equal ആയാൽ you will use what formula? 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2 at a same time. Time interval equal ആയാൽ while the time interval are equal, you have to use formula. Normally, if you know the two value, how to take the average? The same concept. What is the concept? V average is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. Anyway, overall we conclude பண்ணும்போது overall we topics conclude பண்ணும்போது listen what is in listen then basic and most needed formula. If the distance are equal, d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d, what formula you will use? V average is equal to, come on, 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. Not this formula. First one. Second formula, time equal ISL. t1 is equal to t2 is equal to t. What formula we will use? V average is equal to v1 plus v2 divided by 2. Okay, this is the equation. Yes. Then by using this concept, we have to solve the different types of questions. Anyway, first we can solve this question. What is the importance of this question? This question having both two concepts. Distance equal avunna concept urikku, same time equal avunna concept urikku. It is the one of the important question. Read the question. What they are given in the question? A particle moves in a straight line, covers half of the distance with a speed 3 meters per second. Okay, means total journey എടുക്കുക. Total journey എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ total journey half of the distance means you have to divide the total interval into two equal interval. First interval d and second interval d. First interval it travel with what velocity? Yes, 3 meters per second given in the question. Then the other half distance is covered into two intervals with 4.5 meters per second and 7.5 meters per second respectively. What is the meaning? Other distance interval you have to divide into two time interval. Means second half two equal time interval divide பண்ணா. Divide பண்ணும்போது first time interval எத்தனை distance எத்தனை velocity travel ஆயிடுச்சு? Yes, 4.5 meters per second. Next half time travel with what distance? 7.5 meters per second. Then the total average velocity of the journey ആണ് question. The total average speed of the motion ആണ് question. Then how to solve the question? Yes, it's very simple. Then first you have to imagine the second part. ഈ second part மட்டுം എടുക്കുക. at the time interval equal than time interval equalize very simple. What formula you can use to use time interval equalize? This is the first half moves with what velocity 3 meter per second. Second half equal. Second half time interval equal. Time interval equalize eppadi solve panna mudiyum? Simple means 4 means second half mattum portions edukumbodhu average velocity is equal to time interval equalizer v1 plus v2 divided by 2. What is the value of v1? Already given in the question. 4.5 plus 7.5 divided by 2 means 12 divided by 2 means 6 meter per second. Means second interval body travel aayirikkunna velocity means 6 meter per second. Then how to solve the question? Then listen. Appo the total overall edukkumbodhu first distance, first half of the distance moves with what velocity? 3 meter per second. Second half is moves with what velocity? 6 meter per second. Two cases equal ആണ്. Correct distance interval ആണ്. If the distance are equal, then how to find the average velocity? Very simple than how to find average? V average is equal to 2v1 v2 divided by what? v1 plus v2 edutha bodum. It's very simple, which is equal to 2 into what is v1 value? 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6 means 2 into 3 into 6 divided by 9. Cut ആവുമ്പോൾ ഇത് 3 വരും. Yes, ഇത് cancel ആവുമ്പോൾ 2 വരും. What is the answer? Average velocity of the entire journey is equal to 4 meter per second. Which option is correct? Which option? 4 meter per second means option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Then let's means this question is very important. Why it is important? You have to apply the both distance equal concept and time equal concept in the same problem. Okay. Anyway, read the question. Next question. This question is also completely based on what? Average velocity and average velocity. Yes, what is given in the question? A person traveling in a straight line moves with a constant velocity v1 for a certain distance x and with a constant velocity v2 for next equal distance. Then the average velocity of is given by. Okay. Then it is a direct question and very simple question. Listen. Okay. A person traveling in a straight line moves with a constant velocity. What is the velocity of the body? v1. At what distance? x. Then with a constant velocity v2. Next velocity v2. Next equal distance ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ കറക്റ്റ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആര് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്? ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഈക്വൽ അയച്ചാൽ സിമ്പിൾ വാട്ട് ഫോർമുല യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ്? ഇഫ് ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആർ ഈക്വൽ then you can find out the average velocity. What is the equation for average velocity? 2v1 v2 divided by what? v1 plus v2. Okay, this is the formula. Then listen, ഇത് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ v average is equal to 2v1 v2 divided by what? v1 plus v2. But options check பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது no answer is there. But clear check பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் actually answer is there. Which option is the correct answer? Listen, a small change means v average e2 by 2 is equal to v1 v2 divided by what? v1 plus v2. Just take the reciprocal എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 2 divided by v average is equal to v1 plus v2 divided by v1 v2. Okay, that means what is this term? ഈ term എന്നതാണ് is 1 by v1 plus actually 1 by v2. Okay, but 2 by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. Then which option is more correct? Yes, second option ആണ്. Okay, 2 by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. The question is NEET previous year question 2019. Okay, means these all questions are completely based on what concept? Average velocity ilana average speed ആണ്. Yes, next we have to discuss another important portions of the physics. means uniformly accelerated motion. These are the most difficult portions for many students. Why the portion is most difficult? Sir, we don't know which formula is most suitable for such a situations and question. We don't know. That's why we will use some shortcut and tricks to solve the questions. Okay. Uniformly accelerated motion means it is clear. Uniformly accelerated motion means it is clear. What is the acceleration of the body? Acceleration of the body is equal to constant. Acceleration constant downboard, what formula you can use? V is equal to U plus or minus AT. That is the first formula. Second formula, V square is equal to U square plus or minus 2AS. Then third formula, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to UT plus or minus half AT square. These are the kinematic equations. Everyone know these kinematic equations. But one more formula is there. Snth is equal to U plus, okay, A by 2 into 2n minus 1. Snth is equal to U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. These are the important kinematic equations, but we don't know how to apply the problem. Okay, but we have the shortcut is there. Before we are talking about the shortcut, you can apply the same formula for motion under gravity also. Motion under gravity എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ what formula you can use? V is equal to U plus or minus what? GT. What is the second formula? V square is equal to U square plus or minus what? Acceleration is equal to G and displacement is equal to H. Then what is the next formula? H is equal to UT plus half what? GT square. Okay, you can use this formula while the body is moving only under the influence of gravity. Anyway, listen. Okay, but majority students, they are confused which formula is most suitable for the situation. But don't worry, we can enter to the some short tricks. As short tricks use panni, you can solve the many questions. Okay, yes, short tricks ana. Yes, listen. First, what is the initial velocity of the body? 0. Same time the body having what? Final velocity is there. And a body moves with what? Constant acceleration. What is the total distance traveled by the body? S. What is the time taken? T. Okay. The important concept means initial velocity of the body 0. Okay. And the time if this shortcut apply panna mudiyum. Illana or same situation. This situation body having initial velocity is there. But what is the final velocity of the body? 0. And body having what? A constant acceleration is there. What is the total distance traveled by the body? Yes. What is the time taken by the body? T. Then, what is the final velocity of the body? 0. What is the initial velocity of the body? 0. Means you can use this shortcut when the body having initial velocity 0, illana final velocity 0. And the time if shortcut use panna mudiyum. Anyway, majority questions read pannumbodhu initial velocity 0, illana final velocity 0 varum. Especially motion under gravity problems edukkumbodhu oru body project panni vechal what is the velocity at the topmost point? 0 means you can use this formula. What is the formula? Listen, first formula. First of all, you have to note this is the situation. What is the situation? Initial velocity 0 varanam, illana body final velocity 0 varanam. And the time mattum idu use panna mudiyum. Illana idu use panna mudiyadhu. Okay. Anyway, what are the equations? Velocity you can write velocity is equal to what? AT. And velocity V is equal to what? Root 2AS. This is actually what pair? Velocity pair aanu. Yes. Same like displacement. Yes. Displacement edukkumbodhu what is the equation for displacement? Displacement S is equal to half AT square. same displacement s is equal to u square divided by 2a. These are the displacement pair. Same like what pair is also there? Time pair is also there. What is the time pair? Time pair t is equal to v by a. Time pair t is equal to root of 2s by a. This is the time pair. Okay. Yes. At what time you can use this formula? Initial velocity of the body must be 0. Otherwise, final velocity is 0. And the time will mattum use panna mudiyum. Okay, va? But listen. Okay. Say the same formula. Inga I am writing only here what I think velocity we are write pannittulladu. Means we write pannumbodhu initial velocity 0. Same time. What is there? Initial velocity is there. Final velocity is 0. Penna write panniyacha podum. U is equal to what? At. Why? Only initial velocity is there. Final velocity is 0. Same time u is equal to what? Root of 2as. These are the what pair? Velocity pair. Then third edukumbodhu s is equal to half at square, no change. Then next edukumbodhu s is equal to what? U square. Inga you can take inga v square ana. Inga u square divided by what? 2a. Same time pair edukumbodhu time is equal to what? U by a. Time t is equal to what? Root of 2s by a. This is the time pair. Okay. Yes. Anyway, in motion under gravity situations very very simple. What equations you can write? V is equal to gt. Ilana v is equal to root of 2gh. Okay. This is the velocity pair. Same time displacement pair edukumbodhu s is converted into h. Body travel avumbol displacement height h I convert pannidum. H is equal to half gt square and h is equal to what? H is equal to v square divided by 2g. V square divided by 2g. This is actually what? Displacement pair. Then last time pair is also there. Time pair edukumbodhu t is equal to v by g and t is equal to root of 2h by g. Okay. T is equal to root of 2h by g. These are the important formula you can use at what time? Initial velocity of the body is 0, ilana final velocity of the body is 0. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then by using this concept we can do many questions directly, and also we need only less time only. Everyone know the basic kinematic equations. If you are ready to catch this formula, then easily you can solve it and you can reduce the time also. Yes, let's check the questions based on this shortcut. Okay. Find out panna mudiyum. Yes. What is the first question? Read the question. A ball thrown upward with the initial velocity 20 meter per second. Find the time of flight and maximum height reached by the body. Another question. Yes. Means listen. Okay. A ball thrown upward with the initial velocity. Tell me what is the initial velocity of the body? 20 meter per second given in the question. Automatically you know, okay, when the body is moving upward direction, topmost point the velocity 0 varum. Then body will return back to the same position. Then what is the first question? Time of flight. Time of flight means the T1 is the T2. Time of ascent must be equal to time of descent. What is the total time of flight? T is equal to T1 plus T2. Okay. Listen. 1 second. Okay, small technical issue. Okay, we will fix the issue within small time. Just wait. Okay, let's back. I mean, we can enter to the questions again. What is given in the question? Yes, we can solve these questions by using our simple shortcut. What is given in the question? A ball thrown upward with the initial velocity. What is the initial velocity of the body? 20 meter per second. Automatically the body the top il poidum. What is the velocity at the topmost point? Topmost point the velocity 0 varum and return back. Means final velocity of the body 0 means starting point to final point edukumbodhu final velocity 0. Final velocity 0 means you can easily apply our shortcut. What is this time? T1. What is this time? T2. What is the total time? Total time T is equal to T1 plus T2. What is the equation for time? If you know the initial velocity, what formula you can use to find the time? Time is equal to what? U by G. What is the value of U? Already given in the question, 20 meter per second. What is the value of G? 10. Then etra second edukum? 2 second edukum. Okay. Means bottom point in the topmost point of the body varan etra time edukum? 2 second. You know the concept. What is the concept? Time of ascent must be equal to time of descent. Then what is the total time of flight? Total time of flight is equal to 2 plus 2. Etra second aanu? 4 seconds. Okay. So 4 seconds is the actually what? Time of flight. Then one more question is also there. What is the question? Maximum height attained by the body. How to find the maximum height attained by the body? Yes. Maximum height attained by the body. What are the equations for height? S is equal to half at square. Ilana h is equal to what? U square by 2g. Okay. What is the initial velocity? 20 into 20 divided by 2 into 10. 10 God cancel, 2 cancel. Ethana meter aidum? 20 meter aanu. Okay. 20 meter. Which option? 20 meter comma 4 second. Which option? First option. Option A. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Then come to the next question. The same question is also based on our shortcut. What is given in the question? A car with initial velocity 40 meter per second. Braking acceleration of the car is equal to 4 meter per second square. Then stopping distance the car and time taken to stop the car. Yes. Listen. Stopping distance means this is the car. Stopping distance means what is the final velocity of the car? 0. But the vehicle is moving with the initial velocity. What is the velocity? 40 meter per second. And having a retardation. What is the retardation of the car? 4 meter per second square. Then what is the first question? Stopping distance. Final velocity 0 means. Final velocity of the body 0 means you can apply our shortcut. What is the shortcut? Shortcut for distance S is equal to U square divided by 2A. Why? You know the initial velocity and acceleration. Means which is equal to, what is the initial velocity? 40 into 40 divided by 2 into, what is the acceleration given in the question? 4. Okay. 4 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് സോൾവ് பண்ணும்போது 4 got cancel, 2 got cancel, ഇങ്ങ് 2 ഇരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര മീറ്റർ ട്രാവൽ ആയിടും? 200 meter travel ആയിടും. Yes. Okay. Directly you can use the shortcut. Then what is the second question? Time taken to stop the car. If you know the initial velocity and acceleration, what formula? Is U by A. What is the initial velocity of the car? Is 40 meter per second divided by what is the acceleration? 4. So 4 got cancel. Then answer 10 seconds. So what is the option? 10 second comma 200 meter. Which option is correct? First option. Correct shortcut ആണ്. Shortcut use பண்ணும்போது answer will come. Ready? Okay. Then let's move on the next question. Okay. Yes, this is the one of the important questions. Read the question. A ball is projected from the top of a tower of height 100 meter ആണ്, with the initial velocity 20 meter per second. Then time taken by a ball to hit the ground and velocity of the hitting. How many questions they are asked? Mainly 2 questions. A ball is projected from the top of tower of height 100 meter. Means listen. There will be a tower is there. Okay. What is the height of the tower? Given in the question 100 meter ആണ്. And a ball projected from this tower ആണ്. Automatically the ball will reach the maximum height and return back to the ground. What is the velocity at the topmost point? 0. Then what time will take reach at the top? Initial velocity of the ball is already given in the question. What is the initial velocity? 20 meter per second ആണ്. Then what is the equation for time? Time in equations எப்படி write பண்ண முடியும்? Final velocity 0 தானே. Simple ஆയിട്ട് shortcut கொடுத்தா போதும். What is the equation for t? T is equal to u by g. What is the initial velocity? 20. What is g? Cancel. എത്ര seconds? 2 seconds. Means top of the tower to maximum point reach ആവാൻ എത്ര second എടുക്കും? 2 seconds. Then tell me, listen. Okay. How to find this height? ഈ height எப்படி find out பண்ண முடியும்? What is the equation for height? What is the equation for height? Topmost velocity 0 தானே. What is the equation for height? Height h is equal to u square by 2g. Okay. What is the velocity of u? Initial velocity 20 into 20 divided by 2 into 10. Cancel ആയിച്ച്. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര മീറ്റർ ആണ്? 20 meter. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ദാ ഈ ഹൈറ്റ് മട്ടും എത്ര മീറ്റർ ആണ്? 20 meter. അപ്പോൾ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ ഹൈറ്റ്? ടോട്ടൽ ഹൈറ്റ് മീൻസ് ടോട്ടൽ ഹൈറ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ വാല്യൂ 20 meter ആണ്. ഓൾറെഡി ഈ വാല്യൂ നമുക്ക് തരും എത്ര മീറ്റർ ആണ്? 100 meter. അപ്പോൾ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ ഹൈറ്റ്? ടോട്ടൽ ഹൈറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഗിവൺ 120 meter ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, 120 meter ആണ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ടോപ്പ് മോസ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റിലെ വെലോസിറ്റി എവളാ? 0. Then how to find the velocity at the bottom? Initial velocity means first journey final velocity 0. This is taken as what? Initial velocity of the second journey is already 0. Then what formula you can use? V is equal to root of what? 2gh, which is equal to root of 2 into g into s. What is the value of height? Already given 20 meter. Okay. Yes. Appo what answer you will get? Root of 2400 meter. Mean meter per second is the velocity of the hitting. Ground will hit down the velocity. Then we have to find, there will be a 2 question is there. Velocity of the hitting and time taken. If you know the total height, what is the total height? 120 meter. Then how to find the time taken? Time taken t is equal to root of 2h by g. Means root of 2 into, what is the total height? 120. Total height means is 120 divided by what is the value of g? 10. 10 got cancel. Then what answer you will get? Root 24. Okay, root 24. But actually the question is time of flight. Time of flight എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ ടോട്ടൽ ജേണിയിൽ ഇതാ മീൻസ് ഇനീഷ്യൽ പൊസിഷൻ ടോപ്പ് മോസ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ എത്ര ടൈം എടുത്തിരിക്കും? ഓൾറെഡി 2 സെക്കൻഡ് എടുത്തിരിക്കും. Topmost position, the bottom position like varan at the time 24 second, root 24 second eduthirukke. What is the total time? Total time is equal to എന്ത് എടുക്കണം 2 plus root 24. Okay. Which option is more correct? First option. What is the time taken? 2 plus root 24, and what is the distance covered by a body? Root of 2400. The first option is the correct answer. Okay. Means we are solving the entire questions by using what? Shortcut only. Yes. Anyway, come to the next question. This is another type of questions. You can use our shortcut directly. Yes. What is given in the question? A person X drop a ball from the tower. Yes. Yes. Listen. Yes. This is the tower. What is the height of the tower? 125 meter. A person drop the ball means what is the initial velocity? 0. Okay. Then at the same time another person, the X person, another person Y start to run at a distance of 600 meter. എത്ര മീറ്റർ ആണ്? 600 meter ആണ്. 600 meter. Yes, another person Y, he will start to run at a distance of 600 meter ആണ്. 600 meter from the tower to catch the ball with a what velocity? Okay. Means இங்க ஒரு person இருக்கு. This person want to catch this ball. This person want to catch this ball. Then the person want to, okay, moves with what velocity is the question? I think so. Drop பண்ணும்போது what is the initial velocity of the body? 0. Then tell me what time it will take to reach the ground? Just a drop an edge. Drop பண்ணும்போது what is the initial velocity? 0. Simply you can apply the shortcut. What is the equation for time? Time is equal to, you know the height. What is the equation for time? Time is equal to root of 2h by g. Okay. Which is equal to root of 2 into, what is the height? 125 divided by g value 10. Answer എവിടെ വരും? Answer questions solve பண்ணும்போது time root of 2gh ആണ്. 2 into means 2 into 120 means 25 വരും അല്ലേ? Means 5 second വരും. എത്ര ടൈം എടുക്കും? 5 second എടുക്കും. Means a person just dropping a ball. and എത്ര ടൈം എടുക്കും കീഴെ വരാൻ? കീഴെ വരുമ്പോൾ almost 5 second എടുക്കും. Same ടൈമിൽ the person Y want to reach at here. Otherwise he can't catch the ball. Then listen. Then the velocity of the man means man travel பண்ணன distance எவ்வளவு distance travel பண்ணணும் man? Distance by time ആണ് velocity. Man എത്ര distance travel ആവണം? No doubt 600 meter. എത്ര ടൈം എടുക്കും? 5 second ആണ്. Okay. What answer we will get? 120 meter per second. Which option? First option. Okay. Means ball reach ആവുന്ന same instantൽ ആര് കീഴെ വേണം? Man കീഴെ വേണം. Means man want to travel what distance? 600 meter in 5 second. இல்லைனா catch பண்ண முடியாது. That's why we will get what answer? 120 meter per second. Okay. Then next question. Yes, this is the one of the important question, and most of the students it is also difficult question. Yes, but we can solve this question by using what? Our own shortcut. Okay. What they are given in the question? Read the questions carefully. A bullet of velocity u penetrate a plank. The bullet lost 1/10th of its velocity. Find the number of plank required to stop the bullet. Okay. What is given? A bullet of velocity. This is the plank. What is the bullet of velocity? U. It will penetrate some distance. What is the distance? S. After penetrating 1/10th of the velocity lost ആയിച്ച് 1/10th of the velocity lost means അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്നതാണ് 9/10th velocity ബോഡിക്ക് ഇരിക്കും. Okay. Yes. This is the bullet. Bullet penetrate ആവുമ്പോൾ 1/10th lost means 9/10th velocity ബോഡിക്ക് presently is there. Then find the number of planks required to stop the bullet ആണ്. Same like many planks are there. Many planks are there. Then what is the final velocity? 0 വരും. Why? The bullet will stop. The number of planks ആണ് question. Yes. You know the initial velocity and you know the final velocity and the displacement. body having the retardation while penetrating. Then tell me what formula you can use. We can use what formula? V square is equal to u square minus 2as. What is the final velocity of the body? 9 by 10 u ആണ്. 9 by 10 u. 9 by 10 u whole square is equal to what is the initial velocity? U square minus 2as. Okay, the square பண்ணும்போது 81 divided by 100. Okay, 100 u square minus u square is equal to what? Minus 2as. Minus 2as ആണ്. Yes, ഇത് സോൾവ് பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளோ வரும் வேல்யூ? 19 u square divided by 200 അല്ലേ? 200 s is equal to what? Acceleration. Acceleration. Okay. ഇനി ഇതിൽ കേസ് 2 എടുക്കാം. ഇത് കേസ് 1 ആണ്. കേസ് 1 മീൻസ് എ ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഈസ് ജസ്റ്റ് പെനട്രേറ്റിംഗ് എ സിംഗിൾ പ്ലാങ്ക് ആണ്. ബട്ട് ഫൈനലി വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ വെലോസിറ്റി? 0 വരും. ഫൈനലി 0 വരുമ്പോൾ ദ ഫൈനൽ കേസ് എടുക്കാം. ഫൈനൽ കേസ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ വാട്ട്? ഫൈനൽ വെലോസിറ്റി 0. ഫൈനൽ വെലോസിറ്റി 0 മീൻസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് എസ് ആർ എടുക്കാം. ഇപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എസ് ആർ എടുത്ത് ഫൈനൽ വെലോസിറ്റി 0 വെച്ചാൽ വാട്ട് ഐഡിയ യു കൻ യൂസ്? യു സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ 2a. ഓക്കെ, ആക്സലറേഷൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும். சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி வச்சா போதும். மீன்ஸ் u square divided by 2 into what is the acceleration given in the question? 19 u square divided by 200s. Means u square got cancel. Okay, cancel ആണ്. ഈ 2 got cancel. അപ്പോൾ what answer you will get? 19 the ടോപ്പിൽ പോകൂലേ. അപ്പോൾ 100s divided by 19 ആണ്. സോൾവ് பண்ணும்போது almost 5.23s വരും. ഇതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താണ്? What is s? S means I think s is the only what thickness of the first plank ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര പ്ലാങ്ക് உங்களுக்கு വേണം? 5.23s വേണം. 5.23s means more than 5 plank വേണം. അപ്പോൾ total number of plank required എவ்வளോ എടുക്കണം? 6 എടുക്കണം. Which option is the correct answer? C. Okay. C is the correct answer. Yes. By using shortcut you can solve these questions also. Okay. Yes, anyway. The next question. Come to the next question. What is given in the next question? Next question, the x and y coordinate of the particles at any instant are given by, the x value is given. What is the value of x? X is equal to 5t minus what? 2t square. 2t square. And y coordinate is already given. Y is equal to 10t respectively. Where x and y are in meter, t in second. The acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds is already, solution is already given in the given, but the solution check பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் correct. The question is solved by using what? Calculus ആണ്. Calculus means especially integration differentiation എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് கொஞ்சம் കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആണ്, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ கொஞ்சம் difficult ആണ്. അതൊന്നും ഇല്ലാമേ നമുക്ക് സീക്രം സോൾവ് பண்ண முடியும். ഓക്കെ, ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ ഷോർട്ട് കട്ട് അപ്ലൈ பண்ணி വെച്ചാൽ പോതും. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഷോർട്ട് കട്ട്? എസ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു യു ടി പ്ലസ് ഹാഫ് എ ടി സ്ക്വയർ എടുത്താൽ പോതും. ഓക്കെ, ഇതെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് കറക്റ്റ് എന്നാ ഫോർമാറ്റിലാണ്? ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അല്ലേ? എക്സ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇൻ ഫംഗ്ഷന്, ദ ഗിവൺ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഈസ് ഇൻ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് ടൈം ആണ്. അതെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇതാ സീക്രം ആൻസർ വരും. ഹാഫ് എയുടെ വാല്യൂ ഇതാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സീക്രം യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് ഹാഫ് എ? ഹാഫ് എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു -2. A is equal to what? -4 meter per second square. Okay, we don't want to use any calculus, directly you will get the answer. Okay, what formula? Half a value already കൊടുത്തിരിക്കും -2. Just compare this equation with the kinematic equation, you will get it. Got the idea? Yes. Then we can move to the next question. Okay, yes. What is given in the question? A car is moving with a speed of 150 km per hour and applying a brake, it will move 27 meter before stop. Mean if the same car is moving with a speed of 1/3 reported speed, then it will stop after traveling dash meter is the question. Yes, you know how to convert kilometer per hour into what? Meter per second. You just multiply by what? 5 by 18. Everyone know this concept. What is the equation for stopping distance? Stopping distance S is equal to, we already discussed, U square divided by what? 2A. Means stopping distance is directly proportional to what? U square. Means S dash divided by S is equal to U dash square divided by what? U square. Means S dash is equal to, what is the value of U dash? Second velocity already question 1 by 3rd of the initial velocity. Initial velocity 150 km per hour. So, 1 by 3rd 50 varum. Okay. So, 50 divided by 150 whole square into S. Means the solve 1 by 3 whole square into S in the value 27. Means 27 by 3. 27 by 3 means 9 varum. The all answers are given in what? Kilometer per hour. You have to convert into what? Meter per second by multiplying what? 5 by 18. Okay. Simple question based directly on what? Stopping distance. Anyway. Next question. What is given in the question? A small toy start moving from the position at rest. Means what is the initial velocity of the body is directly given in the question. Initial velocity of the body is equal to 0 and constant acceleration constant. Constant travel a distance of 10 meter in t seconds. Yes, t second and distance traveled by a toy in next t second. Appam t second means t value constant. Okay, t second 10 meter, next t second, but time interval constant. Okay, about these are the basic conditions to applying what? Galileo's law of odd number. Concept apply. What are the conditions required for applying the shortcut of Galileo's odd number? Body must having initial zero velocity, okay, and constant acceleration and time interval equal. Equalizal. What is the distance travelled by a body in what ratio? 1:3:5:7. This is the ratio. This ratio body travel item. What are the conditions? Initial velocity of the body is 0, acceleration constant and time interval constant. Then you can apply the concept for distance travelled by a body. So simple. First distance travel 10 meter travel next time interval distance travel 3 into 10 means value 30 meter. Next interval 5 into 10 50 meter. Means if you want to apply this condition, you have to note this idea. These conditions are satisfied apply answer is 30 meter. Okay. Then next question. Okay. Yes, one of the important question. A parachutist after bailing out falls 80 meter without friction. Okay. What is given in the question? Questions read பண்ணும்போது a parachutist, okay, is bailing out. எத்தனை மீட்டர்? 80 மீட்டர். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நார்மலி parachute നമ്മൾ bailing out ஆகும்போது கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அது டைரெக்டாக போயிடும். ஆஃப்டர் பர்டிகுலர் டைம் இட் will open. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് എത്ര മീറ്റർ കീഴே പോയച്ച്? ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 80 മീറ്റർ പോയച്ച്. But after some distance, when the parachute open ആയിച്ച് கொஞ்சம் 80 മീറ്റർ കീഴே പോയിട്ട് അത് ഓപ്പൺ ആയിച്ച്. Open ആവുമ്പോൾ after open what happen? It will start to retardation. What is the retardation of the body? 2 meter per second square. And finally touches with the ground with the speed. What velocity? 20 meter per second. Then what is the height? Total height on question. Total height is the question. Okay. What is given in the question? A parachutist after bailing out falls 80 meter without friction. I think a parachutist is there. Direct poise. How meter poise? 80 meter. After that open eyes. Open ஆகும்போது it will undergoes retardation and finally reaches the ground with 20 meter per second. Then what is the total height on question? Yes. This drop ஆகும்போது what is the initial velocity? 0. Initial velocity 0 means you can use the shortcut to find what? Come on. Velocity at the last point. Last point means acceleration start பண்ண தொட்டு முன்னாடி உள்ள point find out பண்ண முடியும். What is the equation for velocity? V is equal to root of 2gh. 2 into g into what is the height? Height 80 meter ആണ്. അത് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 16 means 40 meter per second ആണ് velocity. Okay. At what velocity? Velocity at this point. ഈ പോയിന്റിലെ velocity. Okay. 80 meter per second ആണ്. ഇനി you know this velocity. This velocity അവളെ ലാസ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റിലെ velocity 20. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റിലെ velocity 20 meter per second. ഈ പോയിന്റിലെ velocity 40 meter per second. ഇത് ട്രാവൽ ആവുന്ന ആക്സിലറേഷൻ 2 meter per second. ഓക്കെ, മീൻസ് റിട്ടാർഡേഷൻ ആണ്. വെലോസിറ്റി കമ്മിയായി വരുത്. ദെൻ ഹൗ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദിസ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്? ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് பண்ணான் என்ன ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி வச்சா போதும்? which formula? yes, v square is equal to u square minus 2as. why? body having retardation ആണ്. means what is the final velocity? 20 square is equal to initial velocity 40 square minus 2 into acceleration retardation value already question கொடுத்திருக்கு 2 meter per second into what? yes. okay, இது solve பண்ணும்போது 400 is okay, then 16 minus 4 s ആണ്. s is equal to, by solving you will get 300 meter. okay, yes. then what is the total height എവിടെ വരും? means total height already height എവിടെ? height already questions കൊടുത്തിരിക്ക് 80 meter. by solving we will get this height എത്ര meter വന്നാച്ച്? 300 meter വന്നാച്ച്. then the total distance 80 meter plus 300 meter. answer is 380 meter. which option is the correct answer? yes, the third option. okay, this is simple questions ആണ്, no more difficulty, but you can use the shortcut to solve the questions also. okay, anyway we have to move the next question. okay, yes, read the question. what is given in the question? A water drop falls a regular interval of time from a 5 meter above the ground. yes, a water drops. the third drop leaving the tap at an instant, first drop is touching the ground. how far above the second drop at that instant is the question. means listen, the questions നമ്മൾ solve பண்ணும்போது what is there? a water pipe is there. water pipe. okay, okay, yes, water pipe. this is the ground. anyway what is given in the question? the water drops falls at a regular interval of time. അപ്പോൾ എങ്കിൽ ആര് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്? delta t same. delta t same. okay, delta t same. just 1 second. a small technical issue, just wait, we will fix it. okay, yes, ready? listen, I think what is given in the question? a water drops falls at a regular interval of time, means delta t same. okay, first point, it is actually എത്ര meter height ലാണ് body ഇരിക്കുന്നത്? no doubt at all 5 meter height ആണ്. okay, the third drop is leaving the tap at an instant, first drop it touches with the ground. means first drop correct touch ആവുമ്പോൾ no doubt at all what happen? third drop just start to leave ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി സെക്കൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ് എங்கே വരും? മിഡിൽ വരും, നോ ഡൗട്ട് അറ്റ് ആൾ. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் initial dropping means what is the initial velocity? 0. It is moves only under the influence of gravity. അപ്പോൾ അത് constant ആണ് g. Means you know what is this? This is the condition of what? Applying the concept of Galileo law of odd number. Means the travel ആവുന്ന ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിൻ്റെ റേഷ്യോ നമുക്ക് എന്നാ റൈറ്റ് பண்ண முடியும்? റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എക്സ് അയച്ചാൽ നോ ഡൗട്ട് അറ്റ് ആൾ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ റിമൈനിങ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് 3x ആണ്. ബൈ റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ഓക്കെ എസ് ഈസ് ടു 3x ഈസ് ടു ഓക്കെ 5x ഈസ് ടു ഓഡ് നമ്പർ എടുത്താൽ പോതും. യെസ് ദെൻ ടെൽ മീ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ബൈ ദ ബോഡി? 4x ആണ് ടോട്ടൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഹൈറ്റ്? ഓൾറെഡി വി നോ ദാറ്റ് 4x അല്ല 4x ന് വാല്യൂ ഓൾറെഡി ഗിവൺ ഇൻ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 5. then what is the value of x? Yes, 5/4. Value of x avla 5/4. But actually what is the question? Second drop what distance from the ground? That is the question. Actually second drop എത്ര ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ്? 3x is the question. Listen, ഇതല്ലേ 3x, ഇതാണ് 3x. That is the question. Means 3 into what is the value of x? 5/4 means 15 divided by 4 means almost 3.75 meter is the answer. Which option? Option A. A is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, next means Galileo's law of odd number concept apply panna situations you have to remember. It is very important. What is the condition? Delta t same avanam, initial velocity of the body 0 varanam, acceleration constant avanam. And the time ungalku enna apply panni vecha podum? The concept of Galileo's law of what? Odd number. Okay. Then next question means third category. Third category ungalku munnadiye sollirikku. What is the third category of question from the chapter? Third category is completely based on what? Acceleration in terms of time, acceleration in terms of velocity, ilana velocity in terms of time, ilana velocity in terms of displacement. It such a type of questions ana. Especially we have to use what? Basic calculus. What is given in the question? Read the question. The distance travelled by a particle is related to t. X is given by what is the value of x? X is equal to 4t square. What is the question? Velocity of the particle is, you know, dx by dt is what? Velocity. Means another answer 8t. Okay, 8t. T value already questions koduttirukku. Endha time il find out pananam? 5 seconds. Appo 8 into 5. Answer is 40 meter per second. Okay. Yes, answer is 40 meter per second is the correct answer. Then next question. Same type model, same type of question. The position of the particles varies as the function of time. The position of the particle is already given in the question. X is equal to a t square minus b t cube. Okay, a t square minus b t cube. What is the question? The acceleration of the particle will be 0 at a time t equal to. We have to find what? Acceleration. Eppol acceleration find out pananam? Velocity 0 avuna instantly acceleration. How to find? Just to differentiate what you will get? Dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Velocity. What is the equation for velocity? Differentiate பண்ணும்போது 2at minus 3bt square. What is the velocity? The value already given in the question. 0. 0 apply பண்ணும்போது 0 is equal to 2at minus 3bt square. Okay, means down to 0. Okay, the acceleration of the particle will be 0 at a what time? The acceleration of the particle will be 0 equal to 1. Then we have to find what? It actually velocity equation. Velocity is not 0. What is 0? Acceleration 0. Means how to find acceleration? Again we have to differentiate பண்ணும்போது what is acceleration? Means 2a minus what? 6bt. Acceleration 0 means 2a minus 6bt. Means acceleration value 0 means what answer you will get? 2a is equal to what? 60. This cancel means t is equal to answer a இங்கே b இருக்குல்ல, b இல்ல 3b 3bt இருக்கு. listen. இங்கே நம்ம டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணும்போது 6 டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணும்போது 6bt ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ listen. What is the equation for velocity? Velocity v is equal to 2at minus 3bt square ആണ്. How to find acceleration? Acceleration എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ again differentiate with respect to time. അപ്പോൾ what you will get 2a minus 6bt ആണ്, 6bt. Acceleration the value already given in the question. What is the value of acceleration? 0. இது equate பண்ணும்போது 0 equate பண்ணும்போது 0 is equal to 2a minus 6bt means 2a is equal to 6bt. 6 got to cancel 3. Okay, then what answer you will get? The time on question. Time is equal to 3a by b. Time is equal to a by 3b. Yes. Okay, which option is the correct? Which option is the correct? Yes, third option. Then come to the next question. Next question എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ what is given in the question? Read the question. The displacement of the body along x depends upon the time. What is given? Displacement is given. Means, okay, displacement. What is the equation? Root x is equal to t plus 2. Displacement of the body along a x-axis depends on the time. Root x is equal to t plus 2. Then the velocity of the body is, means this question is based on concept. What are the options they are given? Increasing with the time, decreases with the time, independent of the time, none of this. What is the correct answer? Yes, just square the term. Square பண்ணும்போது x is equal to what? T plus 2 the whole square. Okay, and then explain பண்ணும்போது x is equal to a plus b whole square expansion. X square plus 4 plus 40. Okay, 40 n. Then what is the question? This is the displacement. Then you have to find the velocity. Just to differentiate dx by dt. Differentiate பண்ணும்போது what answer you will get? 2t. Differentiate பண்ணும்போது listen. What the actually t ആണ് உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், t square ആണ്. Okay, t square ആണ്. T square is equal to 4 plus 40 means இது differentiate பண்ணும்போது t square നെ டைமில் differentiate பண்ணும்போது what answer you will get? 2t plus 0 plus what? 4 ആണ്. Means this is the equation for velocity. What is equation? 2t plus 4 ആണ്. Means what is the meaning? ഇതിൻ്റെ meaning, if the time increases, what happens? The velocity increases. Why? The last velocity function is depends upon the time. അപ്പോൾ time increase ആവുമ്പോൾ no doubt at all automatically velocity increase ആയിടും. Answer is increases with the time. What option? Option A. Okay. Anyway, next question. Okay. Next question. Yes. Next question. What is given in the question? ഈ questions rate பண்ணும்போது the displacement time graph of a two moving particles make an angle 30 degree, 45 degree with the x-axis as shown figure. Then the ratio of their respective velocity is the question. Okay. Means, listen. ഈ questions rate பண்ணும்போது we want to know one of the important concept. What is the concept? இங்க displacement, இங்க time. Displacement time. Displacement time graph in the slope എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ what is basically slope? Slope means y difference divided by what difference? X difference ആണ്. What is the y difference? Y difference displacement. What is x difference? Time. Displacement time by time എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ what you will get? Velocity. What is the concept? The slope of a displacement time graph is equal to what? Velocity. From the questions we have two velocities are there. Okay, two slopes are there, means two velocities are there. This is we can take as p and this is we can take as cube. What is the value of p? 30 degree. What is the value of the cube? 45 degree. Then how to find the velocity? Ratio of their velocity is the question. velocities in the ratios എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ slope in the ratio എടുത്താൽ പോതും. Means v is equal to tan theta is equal to actually എന്താണ് slope ആണ്. Means velocity ratio means v1 by v2 is equal to tan theta 1 divided by what? Tan theta 2. Theta 1 value എവ്വളാ? Tan 30 divided by tan 45 ആണ്. Tan 30 എവ്വളാ? 1 by root 3 divided by tan 45 എവ്വളാ? 1. What is the answer? 1 by root 3 is the correct answer. Which option? Second option. Okay. Means you have to remember the slope of a displacement time graph is always equal to what? Velocity. Okay. That is the concept. Then next, come to the next question. Read the next question. The velocity time graph of the body moving in a straight lines as shown in figure. The displacement and distance travelled by a body in 6 seconds respectively. Means we want to find two values. First we have to find what? Distance. Second we have to find what? Displacement. Both the values are asked in the question. Means how to find distance? Distance എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ listen. Distance എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ you just add the total area. The first area. This is the second area. Third area. You just add. Only area magnitude add panna. Means this area only negative side ആണ്, but you have to add what? Just addition only. First area എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എവിടെ വരും? Listen, first area എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 4 into 2 8. Second area എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 2 minus 2 2 into 4 വരും. Next area എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ means length into breadth simple അല്ലേ? 4 വരും. അപ്പോൾ total answer എവിടെ വരും? 16 വരും. Okay. 16 ആണ് actually what? Distance. But displacement എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഏരിയസ് മൈനസ് പണ്ണ. അപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തെടുക്കണം? 8 + 4 - 4 ആണ്. മീൻസ് ഈ മിഡിലിൽ വരുന്ന ഏരിയ നെഗറ്റീവ് അല്ലേ? മിഡിലിൽ വരുന്ന ഏരിയ നെഗറ്റീവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഏരിയ നെഗറ്റീവാണ്. ഫൈനൽ ഏരിയ പോസിറ്റീവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആയിടും. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര മീറ്റർ വരും? 8 മീറ്റർ. അപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റ് 8 മീറ്റർ, same time distance 16 meter. Okay. Distance 16 meter varum. Okay. Yes. Anyway, these are the important basic kinematic questions. Okay. These are the important basic kinematic questions based on what? One dimensions. Okay. Almost our time is reached. Okay. Then okay, we can conclude the class. Okay. Anyway, okay, fine.